Welcome back, everybody. Everything's looking good. Well, here we go. Looky here. Everything looks good. Everything's growing. Can't complain. Have to wait and see. Well, let's go ahead and check the status on our new greenhouse. Just see how everything's growing. By the way, welcome back. Come on in. As you can see, everything's growing pretty good. What I do up in here a little bit, in addition to watering the plants that we have in here, is you want to put that moisture back in here. So what you do is get it that way. Of course, it's good to do that after you're done watering the plants, but let's make that be a little bit easier. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
You have to kink the hose a little bit because there's just too much pressure coming out. These are peppers and watermelon. Here we have potatoes, seed potatoes. You can see right there, they're growing real good. Tomatoes, getting those going over here. That's going. Want to make sure we don't overdo it. Lemon tree.
Herbs.
Tomato. Twist around.
We already
there.
got flowers in the tomatoes.
Yeah, they are. Look. A good deal. Now, obviously, if we want to give a good soaking on here, we'd let the water stay on there a long time and soak it up. But it's already pretty much well soaked. But in the top part, got to kind of watch that. It gets a little hot in here, so we're going to have to adjust the temperature, open up the windows, and today open up the door. Here's the date today.
Friday. May
28?
Something.
28. May the 28th. If not, May the 29th. I think it's May the 28th.
For my eggplant. My eggplant's doing very well.
Everything's going good. Really can't argue. This is our first ever greenhouse, so hopefully everything goes good. And we were thinking about shelves and stuff, but right now, let's just get the feel of things, see what works, what doesn't, and we'll learn. That's about it for right now. Everything is growing. We're happy. Have to wait and see as the summer goes on how the weather turns out and whatever else happens, and we'll go from there. Once it heats up in here, all this turns to steam, man, it'll really get like a sauna in here. But again, you have to regulate the temperature, otherwise everything will burn up. Another trick is to put it on the outside. Work the outside. It'll raise the humidity level on the inside too. Sounds strange, but it works.